Hi everybody, Lori here for Simon Says Stamp. Thank you so much for joining me today. I've got a fun Ferris wheel project to share with you using contents from the latest September card kit called Birthday Blitz. I'm going to walk you through the contents, starting with the star of the show, the Birthday Blitz 6x8" clear stamp set. For the sentiments we have, hope today is full of love, laughter, and sunshine. Birthday wishes. Love to you on your birthday. There's a simple happy birthday. Here's to a beautiful birthday. And then there's but that hill, which would go well with this hill. But it could also be a rainbow, or it could also be waves. Here's a sun, clouds, flowers, floral center, some hearts. And then there's like a smiley face. You could stamp that on this solid circle. Could be a smiley sun, or a smiley face, or a smiley moon. There's also a coordinating Birthday Blitz die set. It's not included in the September card kit, but you can buy it separately. And I'll tell you what, it sure is nice to have these coordinating dies to cut out the images and the sentiments. So handy. So Birthday Blitz coordinating die set. Okay, for standalone dies, we have the Ferris wheel. I fell in love with this and I'm using it on my project today. I mean, I don't know what it is about a Ferris wheel, but I love it. Here's a party balloon, a simple, perfect little party balloon die. And then next we have the Poppin' Corn die. This one is so cute. I love that red and white box with the popcorn in it. And then we have, there's one more die. It's the Rubber Ducky, a sweet little bright yellow rubber ducky. You could also do any color of the rainbow. Next up is the Birthday Sentiments embossing folder. So this is kind of unique, an embossing folder made up of sentiments. So you get all those letters, birthday wishes, embossed into some cardstock. You're also going to get one sheet of the Birthday Easy sentiment strips. These are black on white. They can be foiled. They can also be easily die cut using the Easy Strips rectangles dies. Next up is a pack of Simon Says Stamp Assorted 100-pound card panel fronts. And look at these delicious colors. This just tickles my fancy. I'm going to use almost all of these colors on my project. I love a rainbow assortment of solid color cardstock. Also included in the card kit is a 4th sheet of white adhesive foam strips. These are so handy dandy when you're making shaker cards. Also included are 12 double-sided sheets from the Simple Stories Fun Times 6x8" paper pad. These are, I gotta tell you, this card kit might be one of my favorites ever. The colors, the festiveness, the fonts, I don't know. Look at this pattern paper. I just love everything in the card kit. I think it's the color, really. I mean, look at that. You know what I mean? These are great for birthdays, celebrations, just anything. You can cut these up and put them on a card, make them a tag. So 12 double-sided sheets, Simple Stories, Fun Times. There's also one sheet of holographic rainbow diagonal 100-pound cardstock. Whew! Moving on to the card, like I said, I fell in love with the Ferris wheel. And I wanted to use that solid color cardstock. So we're going to get to going. And the first thing I'm going to die cut is the base of the Ferris wheel. I'm going to use Fog. Fog is my go-to. It's probably my most used color of all the Simon Says Stamp cardstock. I buy packs of Fog. It's just the perfect light gray neutral. Using my Place and Pierce wand to pop out all of those little innards. I'll have all my supplies and tools listed in the description box if you're watching this on YouTube. And now I'm going to get to cutting little slivers. All you need is a little square because I'm going to do a little Ferris wheel. What do you call each individual like seat? Are these the seats? I don't know what they're called. Maybe I should Google that. Okay, I just Googled it. Ferris wheel seats, also known as gondolas, cabin cars, or capsules, come in various types and designs. And some are closed, some are open. And I'm doing them in rainbow order. Okay, not only do you get the joy of rainbow, also I'm doing a little heart with that. What is that? Lipstick red. I actually think I probably know the names of all these colors. I decided on is this smoke instead of the fog to give it a little gray contrast. So now I'm going to put little dab of glue on these gondolas. I love saying gondolas. We used to have a restaurant in my little town. I don't know if you ever heard of it, but it was called La Gondola. La Gondola. And it was a little Italian, I think it's a chain. And they had sub sandwiches, which they called gondolas, and spaghetti, which was not that good because a lot of people just don't know how to make spaghetti al dente. One of my biggest pet peeves. If your noodles are overcooked, forget about it. Okay. Did I mention I'm using the Pawsitively Perfect craft glue? Totally in love with this little mini. And I'm gluing all these little gondolas on the Ferris wheel. And I'm telling you what, putting them in rainbow order gives me life. I cut a panel of Buttercream cardstock and I'm gluing it down to a white card base. Now I'm gluing is this called smoke? It's either smoke or slate. On there, I'm kind of just spacing it. And then for the Ferris wheel, I put one of the 3D foam squares, the thinner ones. There's thicker ones and thinner ones. I use the thinner ones most often, but every once in a while when I really want dimension, I'll pull out the thicker one. Little sliver of foam tape on that heart too. Okay? And then now I'm using one of the easy strips, the birthday that was included in the kit, and I'm cutting it with my mini guillotine. Now you can do these with the easy strips rectangles die, but honestly, most of the time I like to use my little mini guillotine trimmer because I only want to trim out one, not the whole thing, and I can trim them out a little bit thinner if I want to. You can adjust the thickness or the thinness of your sentiment strip. It's a little bit more customization. Okay, so I did a simple happy birthday. I love that. I pulled out glossy accents. Every great once in a while, I like to gloss it up. And I glossed up that heart. I was even tempted to put glossy accents on every one of those gondolas and make them glossy. How cute would that be? But I refrained because I thought the glossy accents would get stuck in those little holes and it'd be a hot mess. But I got to tell you, I know this card is so simple, but it makes me giddy, the rainbow. And you know what else would be fun to do is make this a spinner. Somehow. I'm not sure how, but we're going to figure it out. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.